What's going on? How you doing? My name is David the Crook and welcome to today's episode of Wisdom Wednesday. I'm going to show you a cool method you could do to start growing your Spotify or to start growing your Apple Music. But before we get into the video, I want to remind you to subscribe and drop a like. I'm here exporting a beat, and that's a beat we're going to be using to show you the method to grow your Spotify or to get more streams on all major streaming services. If you're a music producer and you're using DistroKid to upload your beats and you're trying to get more Spotify monthly listeners and more streams on your beats, what I'm going to recommend is that you use HyperFollow. What HyperFollow is, it's a free promotional tool that you could use to get more people to follow your Spotify. The more you upload your beats onto your Spotify, you get more people following you, and then the fan base just builds up. So when you upload the beat, it sends it to you instantly. What it is just one link that has all the information to your song, so you don't have to send multiple links to people. Now you can just send one link, and then when the person opens it, they have the choice to either choose Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, so they could buy your beat, Google Play, Deezer, and iHeartRadio, Napster. So nowadays when you're promoting your beats or your songs, you don't want to send multiple links. You're better off just using one link to send it, and then that way people choose whatever streaming company they use, because not everybody has Spotify or Apple Music. So when you upload your beat onto DistroKid, right away it's going to send you this HyperFollow. What I recommend, and something I'm gonna start doing now, is I'm just gonna grab that link and then send it or post that link so people could check out the beat. The moment you upload the beat onto DistroKid, it is gonna send you the HyperFollow. So if you have a Musician Plus and you decide you're gonna release the beat next week, even though the beat hasn't came out, DistroKid will still send you the HyperFollow so you can start promoting the beat now. And like I said, if people click on the Spotify, it's automatically gonna follow you, and the song or the beat is gonna be saved onto their playlist. That way there's more of a chance people keep hearing the beat more and more. And another cool thing about the HyperFollow is that you don't have to keep uploaded links. So that one link you have is the link forever, so you just continuously send it. Even though if you dropped the beat or a song 3 months ago and you want to send it to someone, you can just send them that same HyperFollow link, and then they'll be able to choose whatever streaming services they want to hear it. HyperFollow was something that I wanted to show you that you can start using now to start growing your Spotify, get more streams, get more followers. If you're not using DistroKid, I will be putting a link down below in the description so you can sign up and you can get 7% off your first year. DistroKid is something that I use to upload my beats, so that way more people could stream my beats. And that's what I want to talk to you today, is a cool method you could start using now to get more people to start following you when you upload your beats on Apple Music or Spotify using DistroKid. Now I want to remind you to subscribe and drop a like, and I hope to see you in the next video of Wisdom Wednesday. My name is David the Crook. Peace.